Welcome people, welcome back to this channel. This is a simple fried chicken and chips video recipe. It's a Friday and I said why not. It reminds me of back in the 90s when I was in high school and I used to buy 7-Eleven fried chicken and chips because I didn't like KFC. So I'm using just chicken legs that I wash with vinegar, put to drain, vinegar and water that is, put to drain, pat dry. And then I am seasoning the chicken legs with salt, Maggi all-purpose Maggi chicken seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, a combination of ginger, pimento, and garlic. And then I use my hands to give it a good massage, I am adding fresh herbs that I mince into a chopper. 1 stalk scallion, 1 small onion, 1 clove garlic, few slices hot pepper. For best tasting fried chicken, cover and marinate into the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. In the container are 2 cups of all-purpose flour because it is about 12 chicken legs, as well as 4 tablespoons cornstarch. The cornstarch will makes the chicken legs crispy, Yeah man, so I am also adding some chicken seasoning as well as some all-purpose. I use 1 egg, remove the eye, and then I beat the egg for a couple of seconds. Then I am pouring 1/4 cup of cow's milk as well into the container. You can use less milk, but for me basically I want the crust on the chicken to be light and not thick. So it all depends on you and your preference. I am using enough vegetable oil to cover the chicken, and I'm going to fry the chicken legs at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I drench each chicken leg into the milk and egg mixture. Shake off the excess, drench it into the flour mixture, shake off the excess, and then I put it into the hot oil. And I put as many as the fryer can hold. The goal is to fry the chicken legs until the blood disappears. That means they are well soaked, so when you're eating them you're not seeing no form of blood. For me basically it takes about 10-15 minutes. For you it can be more, it can be less, it depends. For the chips, I season with a small amount of salt, then I sprinkle on some all-purpose, just a small amount, because I like my chips when they are lightly seasoned, lightly salted. Yeah, man. I heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I place the seasoned frozen chips. Well, I place some into the oil, and I am gonna fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. I like when my chips have like a light brown color.